Hi nail friends, and welcome back to another episode of Mani Tuesday. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this dip powder nail design using Revel Nail and Cherael dip powders. The products I'll be using today are Revel Nail Clear Dip Powder and Flippant, and I'll also be using Cherael Dark Pink. So I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm applying my Cherael bond to dehydrate my nails. If you don't have any bond, you can also use rubbing alcohol or acetone. They both do the same thing. Now I'm applying one layer of clear dip powder to my nails. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the color. This is also an optional step, but I like doing it. Now I'm applying some activator to my middle and ring finger so that my nails could remain clear, or as clear as dip powder could get, and then I wait for them to dry. Starting on the index finger, I applied base to the whole nail, and then I sprinkled the Cherael Dark Pink on my nails. Now I'm applying base, and starting with the Revel Flippant dip powder, I sprinkle it on the tip area of the nail. Then I use my Cherael Dark Pink on the nail bed area to create my ombre. I did another layer after that, and then I moved on to my pinky nail and did the same thing. If you're getting value from this video, hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on the design as well. And don't forget to subscribe to get the best tips and tricks for beautiful and fabulous nail designs at home. As you can see, the nails looked a little whitish, so I applied some activator to the nails, and you can see the difference in the nails when the activator is applied. I'm just separating the flowers that I'll be using for this design. This is a silver glitter that I'll be using. This is some loose glitter that I purchased from Amazon. I'll also be using some butterfly glitters as well. I applied base to my middle finger and it dried so fast I had to do another layer. I had to constantly be applying base to the nails so that the glitter and the flowers could be applied. This happened because of the activator I applied earlier. Then I encapsulated the nails. I did a few layers to build the nail, but I only showed one layer. And on the middle and ring finger, I applied activator between layers, which was hard because I had to wait a while for the activator to dry in order to place another layer of base. And I believe I waited about 45 seconds and it still hardened my base brush, so that was a bit annoying, but eventually I got it done and the nail looked great, so yeah. Then I applied activator, waited for the nails to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the nails, and now I'm using my Macart gel top coat on my nails and I cured for 30 seconds. This was my first time using this top coat that I purchased a while ago and it's really nice. When the nails cool down, I applied some cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!